Iibigin kita, pangalawa sa pag-ibig ko sa Panginoon.
Loves, ang bilis ng 365 days of preparation. Tapos ito na, nandito na talaga tayo.
Hawak kamay tayo, saman tayo i-lead ni
I
Lord.
was a boat stuck in a bottle that never got the chance to touch the sea. Just forgot on the shelf, no wind in the sails, going nowhere with no one but me. I was 1 in 100 billion, a burnt out star in a galaxy. Just lost in the sky, wondering why everyone else shines out but me. But I came to life when I first kissed you. The best me has his arms around you. You make me better than I was before. Thank God I'm yours. I was a worn out set of shoes, wandering the city street. Another face in the crowd, head looking down, lost in the sound of a lonely melody. Empty pockets at a roulette, always landing on a lost bet. Just live for the spin, hope for the win, go all in just to lose again. I came to life when I first kissed you. The best me has his arms around you. You make me better than I was before. Thank God I'm yours. The worst me is just a long gone memory. You put a new heartbeat inside of me. You make me better than I was before. Thank God I'm yours. I was a boat stuck in a bottle.
Ang babaeng hawak mo
Never
ay
got the
naging
chance
asawa mo
to touch the
sa harap ng
sea.
Diyos at ng tao.
I came to life when I first kissed you. The best me has his arms around you. You make me better than I was before. Thank God I'm yours.
Saksi ang Panginoon at mga taong mahal natin. Pinipili kita, binibining Jemima Joy G. Aguilar bilang aking kabiyak. Ako'y sa'yo na at ikaw'y sa akin. Mahal kita.
This is it, Francis! Nabi Loves, you are a miracle that God has allowed me to witness. Kahit ano pa mang unos ang dumating sa atin, ipinapangako ko sa iyo na I will always choose you and your happiness because you and I are now one. Mahal na mahal kita, Ricky Eugenio. At excited na ako sa mga susunod na araw at taon na magkasama tayo. I love you.